Hi, this is Diego Hernandez with another episode of HHMtv. Right now we're at Arizpe Flooring. Let's check out what they have. Here at Arizpe Flooring, if you're looking for that wood look, they have you covered. They have a variety of colors and sizes, from engineered hardwood, laminate, any kind of flooring that you're looking for, you can find it here. If flooring isn't your thing, they have a bunch of tile options available as well. If you're looking for a countertop or a backsplash, they can do it all. And don't forget, they also carry carpet. The great thing about Arizpe Flooring is that you can buy it, install it yourself, or you can have the professionals do it for you. With the warehouse on site, most of the material is always in stock. We want to thank the Arizpe folks for having us here today. This is another episode with HHMtv. This is Diego Hernandez. Thank you for watching.